Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the sensation and pausing. This stops automatic escalation. First, say aloud whether it feels like envy or jealousy and note where you feel it in your body. Once done, breathe slowly for 30 seconds to reduce arousal and create choice. Then choose one tiny, concrete action, step away, write one sentence, or change posture to interrupt the loop. This initial move shifts you from reactive to intentional and prepares you for deeper processing. You now reframe and inspect the feeling systematically. Ask yourself 3 short questions. What happened? Why does this matter to me? And what need is unmet? Write quick answers to anchor thoughts. Next, generate one plausible alternative explanation for the other person's success to reduce catastrophic assumptions. Then compare the outcome you want with what you imagine you lost. This clarifies values versus stories. Make sure to keep sentences short and factual. You complete the shift by converting insight into action. Pick one growth-focused next step, learn a skill, practice deliberately, or ask someone for feedback, and schedule it this week. Then set a simple 7-day micro-habit that aligns with your values so momentum builds. If progress plateaus, use a quick troubleshooting technique. Heartbeat check, name 5 things you see, 4 you feel, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste. This resets overwhelm. Finally, reflect weekly to adjust the plan and keep envy from returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.